What's up, guys? Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make $10 in 10 minutes with this one app. And it's very simple. Very simple things that you're going to be doing with this app. And I'm going to show you how everything works, because I'm going to hop over here on my computer and show you step by step how this app works and how you can get it now and on what platforms you can download this app on. But before I do that, I just want to say, please watch this video to the very end, because I have a special gift that I'm giving away. So please watch this video all the way to the end. And make sure you subscribe to this channel. And make sure you like this video if you like what I'm talking about today. And make sure you drop a comment if you have anything you want to say about this video, or if you want me to touch on another topic for my next video. So, without further ado, let me go ahead and hop over here on my computer and show you this app so you can get started right away. All right. I'm on the internet, and I'm going to Field Agent app. That's the app I'm talking about. So let's go here. And you simply can use your iPhone and Android device to gather specific information. Then you get paid. And there's a little video you can go check out on YouTube about this app. And here's what the app is all about. Our agents use their smartphones to collect photos, video, and information from stores and many other locations. This information is often used by businesses to better serve customers just like you. So be part of this meaningful work and make some extra cash while you're at it. So you can download the app from iTunes or Google Play Store. After you do that, you go ahead and make an agent profile. And once you get their profile up, you can start finding jobs in your area. Once you find a job, you complete the task. Shouldn't take about 5 or 10 minutes. Once you complete the task, then you'll get paid. And you can have direct deposit, or you can have it going to a debit card, a prepaid debit card. And here's the amount that you get paid, in between $1 and $12. But I've used this app, and from my experience, you can get most of the time $10 to $12. And like I said, it will only take about 5-10 minutes to complete this task. So if you want to know more about this, please go to fieldagentapp.com. Learn more about this, download the app, and start making that money. Start making $10 in 10 minutes. So now you know the app that you need to download that will make you $10 in 10 minutes. So go ahead and download Field Agent today on your Android or iPhone and get started making this money. So, as promised, I said that I was going to go ahead and give you a free gift if you watch this video to the very end. And before I tell you about that free gift, I want to ask you, do you have an app idea but don't know how to get it made? Well, with 6 years of experience creating apps, I can show you how. All you got to do is download this free ebook, which that is the free gift I'm giving away. Go ahead and download that free ebook right now. It's in the description below. Click on that link and that's yours for free. Now, if you want it in an online course, I have that also, which is called How to Make Money Creating Apps Without Coding. That's the ebook name. And that's also the name for the video course. Just click on the link below to get that video course. It's on sale for $8.99. It's usually at a higher price, but I got it on sale just for a limited time. So go ahead and download that and get started creating your app today. So that's all I have for this video today. Please subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop a comment below, share this video with your friends and family, and make sure you hit that notification bell, because I'm going to bring you more videos like this that will show you how you can make money with apps, how to make money on YouTube, and how to make an app so you can start making money with that app or with apps that you want to make. So that's all I have. Thanks again. And before I go, make sure you get your grind on.